Hey Techies! We're glad you're back on our channel. In this video, we're going to explore the key features, performance capabilities, and overall user experience of the best mini PCs currently available. We've handpicked these top 5 contenders based on their hardware specifications, versatility, and customer feedback. The best mini PCs may be small in comparison to standard-sized rigs, but they have enough power to handle a variety of tasks, such as web browsing, content creation, and gaming. These little computers are not only more portable than huge PC towers, but they are also incredibly quiet. Mini Cs may be the ideal personal computer for some people. Before we jump into the in-depth reviews, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our future tech reviews and comparisons. To learn more about the products, check out the links I've provided in the description box below, which are continually updated with the greatest pricing. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Geekom IT8 Mini PC. Ultra high efficiency, small, lightweight Geekom Mini IT8 Mini PC comes with 8th Gen Intel Coffee Lake i3, 8100 NU 3.0's Turbo 3.6 dies, 2 cores, 4 threads, supports 4 threads, supports 4-inch Smart Cache, pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, and supports Linux operating system. Fork multi-screen display. The mini computer uses Intel Iris Plus Graphics 655, delivering an incredible visual experience with a Fork HUD display. Also, you can save time and double your work efficiency via a multi-monitor setup. Multi-port connection. A range of interfaces makes it easy to connect multiple displays, cameras, speakers, and any other devices you need for your daily work and entertainment. Number 4. MSI Pro DP21. Powerful and efficient. Intel Core 3, 12,100 processor provides stunning performance in a small, energy-efficient package, perfect for use in businesses and retail spaces. Complete connectivity. With a complete array of I/O ports, including USB Type-C, you can connect various devices easily, including multi-monitor support for dual displays, perfect for students, offices, or retail space use. Easy to upgrade or expand on 1M 2SE or add up to 2 2.5 HDDs as well as up to 2 RAM modules by simply disassembling the side covers, keeping your business up and running with less downtime. Space-saving and discreet, VESA-mountable design allows you to hook up Pro DP21 anywhere you like that not only improve the flexibility of using it, but also let users have a good space management at home or office. Fast, secure wireless backup, hardware PEM support, alongside MC Cloud Center software, allow you to keep important and private files secure through encryption and have access between the C and Android or iOS devices. Number 3. Asus ExpertCenter Pen 52. Powerful performance. Equipped with the Ryzen 5600 processor and Radeon Vega 8 graphics, the Pen52 Mini PC boasts 6 cores, 12 threads, and a CPU main frequency of 3.3s up to 4.2. With 16B cache, new heat dissipation modules, and Asus exclusive DirectT technology, the Pen52 keeps performance soaring. Plus, it comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro for added convenience, enhanced software. The Pen52 Mini PC comes with my Asus, which offers 2-way AE noise cancellation, system diagnostics, smart fan control, Wi-Fi Smart Connect, Task First, and link to my Asus. This enhanced software gives your computer enough security protection and ensures that it runs smoothly. Expandable memory and storage. With dual-channel DDR4 16B ROM, expandable up to 64GB, and 512 BM 222 222 PCIe 3.0 SSDI, with 2 SSD slots. The Pen52 Mini PC has enough memory and storage to take your computing experience to the next level. It also has additional 2.5-inch SATA storage slots. Number 2. GEEK Intel Nuke 12 Canyon Mint. Latest 12th generation Intel Core TPU 12th generation Intel Core i7 12 6-type Intel Iris Xe graphics 12 processor cores, 4 16 threads, 18 Intel Smart Cache, 35 UDP cores, up to 4.7 turbo, E cores, up to 3.3s turbo. Powerful capacity, flexible storage expansion EOS, installed 16B dual-channel DDR4 SODIMMs, 1.2 supports expansion to 64GB max. Installed 512 AM22280 PCX4 Gen 4 Ninisade PCX4 Gen 4 Nivi Maste M220 Tox 40. 2KB slot for PD slot for PCX on Gen 2 and SATs in a. Number 1. Geekom Mini IT8 Mini PC with an upgraded processor. Geekom Mini IT8 is powered by a quad-core 11th Gen Intel Core i7 11390 processor with a clock speed of up to 5.0 GHz, 4 cores, 8 threads, and 12 in cache. It is powerful enough to deal with more demanding applications such as home servers, school education, web browsing, business offices, and billboards. 8Q and 4 screens support, equipped with Intel Iris X graphics. The Geekom Mini IT8 Mini PC supports up to 8Q resolution and provides true live pictures for surfing and video playback with stunning 4K HUD resolution display on up to 4 screens. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, the Wi-Fi 6 is 3 times faster than Wi-Fi 5, so you don't have to worry about being disconnected at work. Furthermore, the Mini IT8 has an integrated Bluetooth 5.2 system that offers high-speed wireless connection technology, providing a faster internet experience for browsing and streaming.